So we're here at Target because we're looking for a certain kind of Oreos to do a taste test. And we're really hoping it's here because Target usually has like all the fun flavors of Oreos.
Yes. Usually have the special stuff.
Yeah, they have the special stuff. So that's what we're doing.
Please come through for us, Target.
I know, seriously. Okay.
We are so ready to try these. Look how good it looks.
I don't know, it's called Choco Chip. That sounds kind of terrifying. It's not chocolate chip, it's just Choco Chip.
You're ruining the vibe.
I'm just being honest here. Hello, so today we are going to be doing a taste test.
Taste test.
We went to Target, which is the place you go if you want to find fun tasting Oreos. So these are they're new, right? These are new flavor?
Yes. Brand new, I think.
The brand new Oreo Choco Chip flavor, which I'm not a huge fan of the fact they're called Choco Chips. I think that's kind of ratchet. There goes the Target bag, right? So it's gonna be a chocolate chip.
Choco chip.
But what's that mean, Choco? It makes me feel like it's gonna taste nasty.
Choco.
Choco chip, Choco.
Oh,
And
this is the same.
hold on. It says choco chip flavored cream, artificially flavored sandwich cookies. And 2 cookies are 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, and 21 carbs. So that's kind of standard for Oreos, right?
I have no idea.
Any premature thoughts about these before we eat them?
I'm very excited to try the Oreo cookie itself, because it looks like it has chocolate
The
chips
wafer?
in the actual cookie.
Ooh, it does though. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
So
gonna
I
make me
think-
excited.
think
Get a little hot.
I think that's like the first for
And
Oreo.
Yeah, it just said it's limited edition, so it's not gonna be around forever. So run to Target and grab it. I don't know where else carries it. Walmart maybe, but we know for sure Target. And it costs us $2.99, which is not the worst for Oreos, right? So
Yep.
would you like to do the honors? It comes with the lift tab. Go ahead and lift it. And so the lift tab prevents
Oh, roaches.
roaches. Ooh. Okay. Immediate smell that. It smells like chocolate chip cookies.
Yes.
That smells so good. Ooh.
Oh, I want to try some.
Ooh, so good. Okay, so the cream is like brown, and it looks like it. Wait, we're doing this together. Do this together.
Yeah, it's brown. It's got chocolate chips in it, obviously.
So chocolate chips. So are there?
It's more like a tan gray.
So there's chocolate chips in the cream as well as chocolate chips in the wafer.
Yes.
Ooh, and they smell fleek. I'm sorry, I hated on the choco. I'm loving the
It
choco.
literally smells so good.
Are you ready? Cheers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do you think? Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, while he's chewing, when you first bite it, it's like nothing special. You're just like, okay, Oreo, that's fine. Like it tastes, you taste that it's different, but as you chew, the layers of flavor uncover themselves and you realize that you're eating a chocolate chip Oreo. So you definitely taste, so the wafers have, what do you think of the wafer? Hold on.
I have one more.
The wafers taste a little different, right? They taste more like cookie dough than like
Yes,
if they're
yes,
not
yes.
vanilla wafers, they're like cookie dough wafers and the inside is chocolate cream. So you definitely get that chocolate chip cookie experience, but in Oreo. So it's crunchy and you got the cream. What do you have to say for it? Actually, let's just taste the cream. I'm sorry.
Really?
Yeah. The cream is unique. The cream is different. I hate it when they just make, you can tell when it's just a vanilla cream and they've just put food coloring in it. You know what I mean? So why don't you say something? I've been like dominating this thought.
6 out of 10 for me, really.
Really? It's like an 8. Well, okay, I'm not gonna lie. The red velvet ones are really good. I think the birthday cake are my favorite kind of Oreo. I mean, classic are good, but birthday cake's my favorite. This is good. You give it a 6. I give it, okay, a 7.5.
The birthday cake is also my favorite too.
Yeah. So, Choco Chip, I think you should have gone with the chocolate chip name 0 out of 10, because Choco Chip sounds like they're ripping off something, and Oreo has enough
Sounds
money where they
ratchet.
don't have to rip anyone off. So, But the flavor's delicious. So go to
It
your
is
Target.
good.
Go to Target, $2.99. Check out chocolate chip Oreos.
I only gave it a 6 out of 10 because I was expecting something 10 times better for some reason. I was expecting this to be the best dessert.
But you would still
I have ever
recommend
had.
trying.
I recommend trying
Just
it.
not blowing you away.
Because obviously there's people out there that'll like swear by this cookie because it
Yeah.
is really good.
It's definitely a chocolate chip flavor. I hate it when the flavors don't match the name.
But I personally don't like it that much.
Okay, so
I won't buy it again.
Not buy again, but good.
But good, yeah.
Okay.
I'll eat the
I'm
rest.
like enthusiastic.
Yeah.
I like want everyone to like everything, but I gotta admit, I agree. It doesn't blow you away in terms of flavor, but the name is correct. The name does not let you down because the name is what it is. It's chocolate chip Oreo. Delicious. So try, yes, no.
Yeah.
Try
it
them.
out.
$2.99 Target, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thanks for watching.